Welcome all of you from BT Teaching channel. Today we will discuss about DAV Class 8 Science Chapter 1 question and answer. So I hope that we will watch this video from starting to ending. If you like, please like, share, comment video, subscribe to Teaching YouTube channel to get different educational video. Question number 3. Give reasons for the following. A. The cell is called the structural and functional unit of life. So answer, all organisms are made up of cells. A cell is capable of independent existence. Due to this, cell is called the structural and functional unit of life. B. Plant cells are more rigid than the animal cells. Answer, cell wall is present in plant cell. Due to this, plant cells are more rigid than animal cells. Question number 4. Which cell organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Why is it so called? Answer number 4. Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria are the site of cellular respiration. Energy is produced during this process. Due to this, mitochondria are called the powerhouse of the cell. Question number 5. Name the cell organelle responsible for imparting color to the leaf and fruits of a plant. Answer, chloroplast is responsible for imparting color to the leaves. Chromoplast is responsible for imparting color to fruits. Question number 6. What are Scylla and Flagella? Write one similarity and one dissimilarity between the two of them. Answer, Scylla and Flagella are extension on the cell membrane. These help in locomotion and procurement of food in organisms like amoeba and paramecium. Scylla are much smaller than flagella. Question number 7. If onion peel cells and cheek cells are observed through a microscope, state two major differences that the observer is likely to find. Answer is, the two major differences that the observer is likely to find are: in onion peel cells, cells are arranged in rows, cell wall is present. In cheek cells, cells randomly arranged, cell wall is absent. Question number 8. Classify the following into cells, tissue and organ: skin, fat cell, RBC, blood, ear, muscle. So answer is cell, fat cell and RBC, tissue, blood and muscle, organ, skin and ear. E block, answer the following question. Question number 1. All cells in an organism do not have the same shape. Justify the above statement by drawing at least 3 different cell types found in human beings. Answer, 3 different cell types found in human beings are liver cell, fat cell and smooth muscle cell. Diagram. These figures clearly show that liver cell is irregular in shape, fat cell is spherical and muscle cell is spindly shaped. This shows that all cells in an organism do not have the same shape. Question number 2. Where and how are chromosomes formed? State their significance. Answer, chromosomes are formed in the nucleus during cell division. When the cell is ready to divide, the chromatin in nucleus condense to form thicker thread-like chromosomes. Chromosomes are responsible for inheritance of characters from one generation to the next generation. Question number 3. With the help of well-labeled diagrams, highlight 3 differences between a plant cell and an animal cell. Answer, Three difference between a plant cell and an animal cells. Plant cell wall is present, chloroplast is present, vacuole is very large. Animal cell wall is absent, chloroplast is absent, vacuoles are small. Question number 4. Write the functions performed by the following cell organelles. A. Endoplasmic reticulum. It is a network of membrane. It provides channels for transport of materials in a cell. B. Golgi complex. They are a sac-like structure stacked one above the other. They are involved in the processing and packaging of materials produced by the cell. C. Nucleus is a specialized structure in the cells bound by the nuclear membrane responsible for controlling all cellular activities. Question number 5. The cell membrane is a very important component of a cell. How is damage to cell membrane likely to impact the function of the cell? When the cell membrane gets damaged, it exposes the cell's contents to external environment. This results in stoppage of all functions of the cell and eventually to cell death. Question number 6. Define the term cell for plants or animals. Name the different organisms that make a cell. Explain why none of these is called the structural and functional unit of life. So answer, the cell is the basic structural, functional and biological unit of all known organisms. A cell is the smallest unit of life, and therefore cells are often described as the building blocks of life. The different organelles that make a cell are nucleus, Golgi complex, mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, trisom, and vacuole, and ribosome. All these cell organelles work together to perform different functions of the cell. None of these is capable of independent existence, so they are not called the structural and functional unit of life.